Good morning, children, to everyone. Yesterday, in English literature class, we studied about north wind and the sun. Today also, we will continue our learning, and therefore, please take page number 37. It is a revision for you. Page 37. The north wind and the sun. Yesterday we were in third paragraph. Today let us take the fourth paragraph. So there was an argument between the north wind and the sun, that who is more powerful. They want to test their power and strength. So the north wind says that I can blow sheets, trees, houses, and other things with my own power. Now let us see what the sun has to say. See the fourth paragraph. But I rule over summer. I give heat and light to everyone. So who is ruling over the summer? The sun. So rule over summer. So summer is ruled by this particular sun. Because in summertime we cannot stand outside. We cannot spend any moment outside when the sun is too heat, because we will feel hot, and therefore it will be very difficult time for us. So sun says, but I too rule over summer. I give heat and light to everyone. So, my dear children, the sun gives us heat and light. So heat plus light we get from the sun. So sun gives us. All this heat and light comes from sun. Next slide. Plants, people and animal would die without me. See, the sun is very helpful to all living and non-living. The plants, without the heat of the sun, cannot prepare their own food. So the plants and the trees depend on sun. Similarly, we the human beings also depend on sun, because we get heat from the sun, we get light from sun, and therefore the sun is the source of energy for all living beings, and especially for us the human beings. The sun is very helpful, because the farmers cannot cultivate their crops. See, farmers also cannot cultivate their crops if there is no heat of the sun. So the plants will not grow. Even if they cultivate, the crops will not grow, the crops will not be healthy, it will not bear much fruit. So the heat of the sun is very, very necessary for the plants also. Next line. Plants, people and animal would die without me. Even animal, as I told you, the sun is needed for all the living things. Even human beings as well as for the animals. So, my dear children, let us see now, either north wind or the sun is powerful. So let us see below. Surely I am the one who is more powerful, claimed sun. So there is an argument between the sun and the north wind. So they say, they are telling that let us see who is more powerful now. Sun is saying I am also powerful. The north wind is telling that I am also powerful. But let us see who is more powerful. So both the sun and the north wind, both are telling that I am powerful. So let us see in the next paragraph. You sit in the sky and do nothing except shine. But I am full of force and energy, said North Wind. So, North Wind is telling to this particular sun that you are only up in the sky, you only sit there, you do nothing, says North Wind to the sun. And then the North Wind says that I am most powerful one. I have full of force and energy within me, says North Wind. Why is North Wind telling like that? Because North Wind can blow things from one place to another place. It can destroy many things. It can destroy trees, plants, houses, and many other things. And therefore, the North Wind is saying that I have lot of energy within me, lot of power within me. Next line. While they were arguing, they were having dialogue, they were having argument. A man passed along the road, wrapped. Wrapped meaning he was covered. His whole body was covered with something, and that was the long and big coat he was wearing, very long one and thick coat on his own body. So you see, while they were arguing, a man passed along the road wrapped in a heavy winter coat. Heavy, it was too weight. Heavy. It was too heavy, it was too weight. So he was passing through that way, and therefore this the sun and the north wind saw from there. You can see in the picture, my dear children, very nicely it is given. The sea, sun and the face is there, and then the north wind is there. Both are there side by side. So my dear children, both are telling that we are most powerful one. But let us see that who is most powerful one. So my dear children, again we will continue, and as I told you, it is a revision for you. You should learn in a better way. Therefore again I am revising this particular chapter for you. So I will continue again in my next class. Now I end my class. Thank you very much to everyone, my dear children.